as Medicine, Episode 1, Extra Virgin Olive Oil and Egg.
I am extra virgin olive oil, and I can slash your stroke risk by nearly 40%. Here's how I do it. Most people think I'm just expensive grease for your salad, but biologically, I'm a liquid shield. You see, your arteries are like pipes, and over time, they get inflamed and rusty. That's bad news. There's no solution for this. Just kidding. Because I contain a secret weapon called Oleocanthal. Here's the fun part. Oleocanthal is nature's ibuprofen. Seriously, it works exactly like the painkillers in your medicine cabinet, but without destroying your stomach. Now, let's talk about the workers inside you, the enzymes COX-1 and COX-2. Usually, they are the good guys, the construction crew that heals your cuts and protects your stomach lining. But sometimes, they get confused. They work too hard, like an overzealous security guard locking down the building.
Lock it tight! No passage here! Secure the perimeter! Nothing gets through!
This causes a boomerang effect. Instead of protecting you, they cause chronic inflammation and make your blood sticky. That can lead to a stroke. Before that happens, I'll use Oleocanthal to calm things down. I lower their volume just enough to stop the chaos and keep your blood flowing smoothly to your brain. I'm not just oil, I'm a sophisticated peacekeeper for your arteries.
I am an egg, and I can save you from crumbling into a pile of dust. I'm strong and smart. Let me prove it. 1 + 1 is 2. 2 + 2? It's not 2. It's true. Osteoporosis doesn't stand a chance. Everyone thinks milk is the bone hero, but milk is just the brick delivery guy. I am the architect. You can drink all the calcium you want, but without me it just floats around doing nothing. I come loaded with vitamin D, which acts like a doorman. It actually opens the door for calcium to get into your body. But wait, I also have vitamin K2 and high-quality protein. The protein is the scaffolding, and K2 is the glue that grabs that calcium and cements it into your bones. I don't just feed your bones, I tell them how to rebuild themselves.
So, there you have it. The Vascular Bouncer clearing your pipes.
And the skeleton architect reinforcing your walls.
With extra virgin olive oil and eggs on your team, your body isn't just surviving, it's under major renovation.
Hit that subscribe button to join the construction crew. Start your wellness journey with Holistic Ben.